Hey friends, who's hungry? Craving a burger with a cheesy surprise inside? Let's make pepper jack stuffed burgers that are juicy, flavorful, and loaded with melty goodness. Start by mixing your seasoning. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Grab 2 pounds of 80-20 ground beef and divide it into 8 equal portions. Flatten each portion into a thin patty. Sprinkle half of your seasoning mixture over one side of each patty. Take 4 to 8 ounces of pepper jack cheese cut into small cubes and place 1 or 2 cubes in the center of 4 patties. Top each with another patty and seal the edges tightly so that all the cheesy goodness stays inside. Shape them into thick burger patties. Season the outside of each burger with the remaining seasoning. Place the patties in the fridge for 30 minutes. This helps them hold their shape while cooking. When you're ready, preheat a grill or skillet over medium-high heat. Cook the burgers for 4 to 5 minutes per side, flipping once until they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees. Let them rest for 5 minutes. This keeps the juices and melted cheese right where you want them. Serve on buns with your favorite toppings and get ready for that perfect cheesy bite. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.